Oh, thank you. Okay, I just put Violet down for a nap. We got home from our errands and now I'm making my warm salad. So basically you just preheat your oven to 400 and add whatever veggies you want. I did chickpeas, grape tomatoes, I'm doing feta cheese and broccoli. And you just put the feta cheese right at the center with olive oil, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Delicious. Bake for 25 minutes. And then while that's baking, whip up some kind of salad dressing. So I did olive oil, white wine vinegar, and Dijon. Then for my base, I did arugula, and you just mix that together. This is really healing on your gut, guys. Anybody that suffers from gut health, add some warm salads, and it's delicious. I mean, look, 5 minutes later, done.
Sun is shining 24/7, 'cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you can...
Ready? Cheese! Wow, you're a good little vlogger. Wanna go to the beach in your PJs? Yeah. Jump.
Oh. Hi, baby. You take my picture? Come here, what?
Whee. Look at how sparkling.
I know.
It's like in the Bahamas. You could like see right in.
Look at Harper.
Come on in, Harpy.
Make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling. Never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do. I wanna marry you. Sweating around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day I spend apart, I wanna be with you.
I'm still really loving this purse. It's so cute, chic. I found this tank top from Amazon, and these are my Gold Day shorts that I always wear. I'm wearing them with Birkenstocks.
We live in a screensaver.
I know. So blue.
I love Florida. You see it, I know.
We're gonna go to Anne's Coffee, okay? Would that be fun for you, Bye-Bye?
Wow, it's amazing.
She says that now. She goes, wow, it's amazing.
How is it?
Did I just hear thunder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Racing the rain clouds.
I know. They're getting dark again. Boom. Here I go, boom. And I'm wearing a white shirt. So after we saw you guys and we're vlogging, having coffee, Violet fell asleep on the car ride home, so we went straight home, carried her into her crib, and me and Jared got this lovely moment. Right, Jared?
Oh yeah.
To watch a movie.
Oh, that moment.
Yeah, Hustle on Netflix. I didn't think it was gonna be for me. It was like a basketball movie and I was like, what? But it was really inspiring. It was a cute movie. Adam Sandler's in it and it was good. This is Florida summer. It goes from sun to rain real quick. I have stress. I mean, I already ruined one camera, 2 cameras, 3 cameras.
Well, there's the trunk and the...
Yeah, that's true, the trunk. We got the car with us. Is it an inappropriate time to ask for an outfit of the day photo?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, will we make it back in time? It's okay, honey. Well, the draw's pretty much made it. We got like just a little bit of, like a little dew. Okay, so when you guys saw I was in Target the other day, this is what I got. I've had this water bottle before, really, really love it. Then some Sharpies. I really went there for a notebook because remember when the ocean stole my notebook and got it all wet? And what I love about this one is like it's a small, but not like really small notebook. This is pretty small for a tote and it can fit in there. Violet picked out this water bottle. I gave her the choice between Paw Patrol or Frozen, and she liked this one with like, it comes with this little like keychain thing. Just got my period. Violet is napping. And the roles are completely reversed because if you follow Jared on Instagram, he's like an influencer now. Jared. But like a mortgage influencer. And he got a tripod and a ring light for his office to film like mortgage and finance content. I want to start filming more reels. So if you don't follow me on Instagram now, you should follow me because if you ever just want like a quick recipe or like a quick tip, that's where I'm going to be putting all of that. And he's like, you need a tripod.
Or you can put it on this guy, and this guy's like the wild guy.
Okay, so how do I tilt that down? We're gonna try making a reels on my favorite summer salad at the moment, which is with arugula on. Okay, so behind the scenes for you guys. Add some arugula. Now we're gonna add some peaches. Okay, I found these little mozzarella balls because last time I did on my YouTube channel goat cheese, and I already used burrata, so this time I'm gonna do some mozzarella to switch it up. All right, I stopped filming, but I did peaches, chickpeas, prosciutto, pecans, little mozzarella balls. All right, so I have the dishwasher going, so it might be a little loud, but I just wanna show you. Meal prepping some chicken for tomorrow. I just gave Violet her bath. I have a container out. That's what I'm going to be putting the meal prepped chicken in. Just washed my water bottle, so I'm keeping it here so that first thing in the morning I can fill this up. Stay hydrated. I have my hair like this so that it just, hopefully so that it like dries nice tomorrow, because I haven't been using my Dyson because it's just been hot out. Summertime, I just can't keep it blowout, so I'm only gonna be doing it once in a while. So I'm just gonna be rocking my natural waves, and this just kind of helps it to not tangle at night and just stay nice. But anyway, you get the Sunday scaries because you're not prepared. So prepare. Meal prep your food, clean your kitchen, have your water bottle ready to go, just like the little things. Okay, I already did my coffee, but I usually let Violet do it, so. You have a dinosaur? Can you show off your dinosaur? Roar! Roar! Make mommy's coffee. Thank you. I don't intermittent fast anymore, especially on Monday morning. Monday for me can sometimes feel like stressful. I'd like to see what's going on for the week. I have a lot of catch-up emails to do. I have editing to do, and editing takes so long. Eating first thing in the morning, even if I'm not hungry yet, has just been really helpful because you guys know if you're a busy mom, you can forget to eat. So this is one date that I'm adding in, by the way. You're like rushing and you're not eating and sitting down for a proper meal. So Monday morning, I actually just have food in my stomach right away. Half of her banana. Probably one of our most bought items from Whole Foods is frozen blueberries because they're so good in like so many different things. Flaxseed. Now you can see why this is like such a filling smoothie. What are you cutting?
String.
Alright, now I'm adding vanilla collagen. You want to add enough butter so that it keeps you nice and full. Tennis is over for I was about to say for the year. It starts back up in the fall, but I'm still gonna enjoy my tennis outfits because they're so easy to go on walks in and like work out in because you have the little shorts underneath. So I still am gonna wear my tennis clothes even though I'm not playing tennis right now. Hey guys, so it's a little later in the day. I just got done doing some of the tasks that I wrote down. I'm gonna show you everything in a second, but not to freak you guys out, but it's like almost halfway through the year, which is really crazy because I'm somebody that I film a ton of like New Year and like goal setting. I film a ton of those videos like towards the end of the year, like in December all the way into January. I always kind of do these like halfway through the year check-ins, and I was just doing mine and looking at my vision board, and your girl's got some work to do. I can 100% hold myself accountable, and I think that that is why I've done really well in certain areas of my life, is that I can 100% be honest with myself and say like, this is what's working for you. This is what's not working for you. Take out your vision boards, take out your goals. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna talk about it. Like, are you on track? Are you on pace? It's okay if you don't have everything yet. It's okay if like you look at your vision board and you're like, okay, I don't have that, I don't have that, but are you on the right track? For me, on my vision board, I think I mentioned this in my last video, I used a photo of myself when I just felt like strong and in shape and I just felt good. And I can honestly say now, like, I'm just so excited that that is one goal that I can check off, is that I got my body back. And I mean that in like such a literal way. Like, I'm not breastfeeding, I am actually sleeping through the night. I just feel like in so many literal senses, not only did I lose the weight and feel good and see ab definition like I wanted to, but then also like that literal sense, that was also a goal, is to get me and Violet on a really good routine. And I can honestly say that we're at that point. But speaking of health and wellness, my husband reminded me recently that I need to drink a lot more water, because I know that this is TMI, but like when we talk about health, like it's just easier to go there and talk about TMI, but like you can tell from your pee. If it's super bright yellow, you need to drink more water. And especially like how active I am, I'm always on a walk or doing Pilates or doing something. So that is why I got a water bottle at Target, because I always feel like when I have a water bottle next to me, it encourages me to drink more water. This was my go-to last summer, and it's my go-to right now, which is my Sakara drop. So sometimes on Instagram you'll see my green water, and that is from this one actually, the Detox. This is chlorophyll, and then this one is clear, the beauty water, and this one is ionic minerals. So this is going to be adding those trace minerals back into your diet. Once I was reading about sea salt, and I was reading that sea salt's good for you because it adds trace minerals into your diet, but some salt companies actually take that out because it's so processed, so you don't even get those minerals. So that's why I love adding the beauty water drops. And the other thing is, Sakara says that the beauty water drops promote collagen, so I'm all about anything that promotes collagen. And then the chlorophyll is great for so many reasons. Plants are made up of this, so you're getting all of those greens, you're getting those vitamins and minerals just from adding a few drops into your water. When you add lemon like I do, it cuts the taste of chlorophyll. And I don't even think chlorophyll has a strong taste. The cafe creation in LA would drop chlorophyll drops into all of the water, and I never could taste it. You could see it, you could see that it's green, but you can't taste it. You will only taste lemon juice. So the drops actually come as a duo on Sakara's website, and when you use my code SamTimesSakara, you get 20% off. So I will leave that down below. That was actually another goal on my vision board, is to keep working with brands that inspire me and that were always a goal to me. Like when I lived in LA, everybody would talk about Sakara and like the food and how high quality it is, and I always thought of it as like this cool girl brand. Speaking of goals, if weight loss is one of your goals, getting into shape, if you go on your vision board and you know you're not where you want to be when in terms of that, start here. Like start small, start micro with everything. Like if you're trying to go to the next level in your business, if you're trying to go to the next level with savings, with anything, you have to start small. Anybody that tries to do too much all at once, and myself included, what do you end up doing? You end up going hard for a week and then you stop. That's why this year I've just changed my schedule where I have set film days, I have set edit days, I have set film days, I have a day off. Like I'm doing all of that. That way I don't get burned out. That way I can share really good content with you guys, really good recipes, have the time to find recipes to share on my YouTube channel. and then also make like little quick videos like on reels. That's another thing on my vision board, is just feeling good about life, feeling balanced, and like the opposite of like that burnout feeling. And you just really have to go to the source of what it is. For everything on your vision board that you're not there yet, you just have to go to the source of like, why am I not there? Is it a time thing like weight loss where you just have to keep giving it time? Great. Or is it that you are not giving something the right focus? Are you trying to do too many things at once? Are you getting burnt out? So you go really hard and then you stop, and you go really hard and then you stop, and you're kind of in like this yo-yo stage. That's why it's really good to know that we're halfway through the year and just do that mental check-in with yourself and look at your goals. If you didn't make a vision board, make one. Make one when you're done watching this video. Every year I want to accomplish something that I didn't do last year. Every new year I like to say like, last year I did this, the year before I did that. Like, I love that feeling of like looking back and feeling accomplished. So that's why I always like in this time period, like June, July, I like to get focused. Something else that has been working for me is writing down my to-do list. So I'll show you that right now. That's how I plan my day. So you want to do the 5 most important things you have to get done. I do have 6 things in there because laundry I can do when I'm editing, because I don't like to have it going now because I'm filming right now and you'll hear it upstairs. But Violet's at a activity right now, so that was the first most important thing. I always make sure during the week she has something fun to do and is meeting other kids, because she's not in school yet, so that was the most important thing. So I did that. In a little bit, I'm gonna be editing a video. I have to call my insurance, then pick up Violet. I wanna film a reels, and then laundry while I'm editing. Then every single day at the bottom of my to-do list, I'm putting what I am grateful for. So my family, my health. That's how I plan my day every single day, because this is like all the things you have to get done right here. But then here is like what's gonna make you feel good. Like if any part of your list makes you feel stressed out, then you go to here and you just kind of like let go, release, and feel good. That really works for me. What I tend to do though is like quickly put something in notes in my phone. It's like everywhere. It's like kind of confusing, whereas I like to actually write things down, cross it off as I'm going through. So that's something that's been helping me. But like I said, it's not too late to make a vision board. Like we literally are halfway through. So depending on how you want to look at that, like I wasted half the year or I still have half the year. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Comment down below what you want to see, because tomorrow is actually a film day. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.